Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be seeing how to make these cute 3D animals. All that you'll need is some crafting paper, a scissor, a glue and a black sketch pen. Let's start off with the mighty Mr. Lion. To make the lion, take two rectangular paper, one for the body and one for the face, and fold it into half as shown here. For the body, take the bigger rectangular sheet and draw a semicircle and cut it out. And there we have the body of our lion. Now to make the face, take the smaller rectangular paper and draw a U shape and cut it out. And now for the ears, open the paper and cut out from the edge to the middle crease as shown here on both the sides. For a better finish, cut out the sharp edges to give a curved look to the ears. Next, to create the mane, that's the bushy hair around the face, take a strip of paper about 1 centimeter and cut out small triangles as shown here. Now stick these cut out triangles around the edges of the face to create the mane of the lion. Now let's add the other details to the face like the eyes, nose and the mouth. You can either cut out the eyes as I've done here, or you can also draw them directly on the face. I've cut the eyes out to give it a pop of a color. Here I'm drawing the paws on the lion's leg to give a bit of detail to the lion's body rather than leaving it plain. Next, for the tail, I'm going to take a thin strip of paper and just attach a circle at the end of it. Now to attach the tail and the face to the body, I'm just going to cut a slit on both the sides. Now you can attach the face and the tail in the slits and open the legs a bit so that it can stand on a surface. And there we have a cute little Mr. Lion. Next, let's see how to make Mr. Tiger. The steps to make a tiger is very similar to how we just created a lion with the face and the body. It's just that the details would differ here. So I'm just going to let you watch by and see how I made it. Next, let's see how to make the mighty Mr. Elephant. To start with, you need to sketch out the elephant as I've done here and then cut it out. Once you've cut it out, now let's add the details like the eyes, the legs, the trunk and the tusk. For the tusk, cut out 2 triangles as I've done here and stick it to the edge of the mouth. For the ears, take a rectangular shape again and draw something like a butterfly's wing. Now to attach the ears, measure the length of the edge and cut out a slit along the line. And now you can make your own mini jungle with these cute little 3D animals. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment and share and subscribe for more fun videos.